We've got the number of classes, which is a countable amount, and therefore the data must be discrete. To find the mean from a table, we need to multiply in pairs. So 20 lots of no classes, 24 lots of 1, 30 of 2, K of 3, 10 of 4, 3 of 5, and 1 of 6, and then divide by the total number of students, which is 20 plus 24 plus 30 plus K plus 10 plus 3 plus 1, and we know that equals 2. If we simplify the top, we get 145 plus 3K. Simplify the bottom, we get 88 plus K. That equals 2. Solving that equation gives me K equals 31. Asking every 10th person is a systematic way of approaching it, so it's called a systematic sample. So the gradient is change in y over change in x. So the y coordinates are 1 and 3, and the x coordinates are 3 and 7. So we get an answer of positive 1/2, which looks right as well if we think about that line. For every 1 square across, it's gone half up. To complete the Voronoi diagram, we need the perpendicular bisector of AE. The perpendicular bisector of AE will go something like that. We need to find the equation of that line. So first of all, the midpoint of A and E. So we add their x coordinates together and halve them. We add their y coordinates together and halve them. So the midpoint is at 5, 2. There it is, 5, 2. Then the equation of the line, the equation of a straight line is y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. We know the x1 and y1, they're the midpoints that we've just worked out. Sorry. And m is the gradient, which is the negative reciprocal of the gradient between the 2 points. So that was a half, so the negative reciprocal is negative 2. We just need to rearrange that and we get 2x plus y minus 12 equals 0. In the context of the question, that cell containing E, if you're within that cell, then your closest snow hut is at E. So the points within the cell have snow shelter E as their closest. This is a prism. Volume of a prism is cross-sectional area multiplied by length. Now the cross-section is a sector of a circle. If that's 50, then that angle is 310. So I've got 310 of the 360 degrees of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So that's the area on the end, and then we've got to multiply by the length, being careful to notice the length is given in meters, convert it to centimeters is 240. So we end up with 45811 centimeters cubed. IB says we round to 3 significant figures, so 45800 centimeters cubed to 3 significant figures.